Hey, what's up there, Bear Bull Traders? This is Ryan. I'm a community member, and I thought I'd share my trading station with you today. I trade from home, which is great for me because I'm a bit of a homebody. So I thought I'd take you through my daily day trading journey. So if you're ready, let's go. Okay, here we are in my dining room, and I eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner at a 12-foot dining room table. This is where I start my day, yeah, and then I go this way. This is my dog, Bo, and she's a rescue and a really nice black lab. Aren't you, Bo? Yes, you are. Okay, so here we go. We're in the great room now. I live in a really old house from the 1920s, and I've been restoring her for the better part of 2.5 years. It's been a lot of work, but it's been very rewarding. As you can see, I got the dual fireplaces, lots of statues, lots of art and stuff going on. This is my model lingerie girlfriend. She's so sweet. She's so nice. We've been quarantining together. Honey, do you want to say hello to the BBT community?
Get lost.
Okay. And I'll take you guys outside and I'll show you where we're at. Okay. So we are in Westchester, New York. Beautiful Westchester, New York on a beautiful April day. Getting the pool ready. You can see some really nice hawks in the air. This is a view of the Hudson River. So it's a really nice place to get into a good frame of mind if you're going to be trading. Got a lot of woods over here. Not a lot of neighbors around. So I can't see them, and more importantly, they can't see me. There's Bo doing her thing on the lawn. So I'll show you my my trading setup now. What are you reading there?
Go to hell.
Okay. Love you, honey. So this is my trading setup, and I got a smoky fireplace going on today. All right, great. I hope my fire alarm doesn't go off. Usually I light a fire in the mornings, but it's a little bit of a warm day, so the smoke doesn't want to go up. This is what you call a traditional English study, and I'll show you some of my stuff. This is a Picasso. Yes, it is a real one. My grandparents left it to me, my dearly departed grandparents. Some more paintings. I have a lot of books in here, mostly art books and history books, but I also have a lot of trading books. This is a pop-up Davenport, also known as a ship captain's desk. Just some cool stuff around. Over here you've got my, my Baron Bull, which is for Bear Bull Trader Community. Got some chart patterns and technical analysis using multiple time frames. So this is my trading setup. I'll take you to that now. I use 4 monitors to look at stocks. I took my montage out so that you don't see that. I like to look at a lot of stocks. This is where I listen to the Bear Bull Traders. Nothing fancy, not a lot of technology. This is my internet connection. It's pretty terrible, but it gets me through the day. This is my office chair. It's completely and totally impractical for sitting in this chair 6 hours a day, and it's probably taking years off my life, but it's from the Ming Dynasty, so I highly recommend you get one too. This is my desk, and this desk is a architectural salvage from India that was converted into a desk. I think it was a door. Over here, I don't know what you call this. It's not incense, but it's something. And if you're in the red or if you had a really bad trade, I light this and then I just swirl it around my head in a counterclockwise fashion, and that usually helps get me back into the green, so to speak. So I sit down here at my desk all day, and I try to trade. I've been doing this for about 7 months, and I really am grateful to the BBT community and to the moderators for the educational resources and their contribution. I don't think I could be doing this without them. I started off at $50 a day, and then $100 a day, and then $150 a day, and so on and so forth. My focus is on consistency and self-control, because I can trade a little wild sometimes, and I'm trying to work on that. So I want to say thank you for coming on my daily trading journey with me. If I win, which I hope I do, whatever the prize is, Andrew, you're welcome to come out to Westchester, New York. We'll have a few drinks. We'll have a few laughs. Thanks, guys. Stay healthy and stay green.